Hi, welcome back. In next few session, I am planning to discuss about how Spring MVC works. What are the different configurations we need to do for a request to handle the request? How to handle the exception in Spring World? How to connect to a database um, in the Spring World? And how to validate any form? How to do any validations in Spring MVC World? Okay. So these are the different topics I am going to discuss. I am not going to execute any code here, like it's a kind of a quick overview. Okay, so in this session I will be covering about how the Spring MVC works. Okay, at a high level. Okay, so uh, whenever a request comes in, okay, it will be handled by the dispatch servlet. We need to configure a dispatch servlet. Okay, and the dispatch servlet with the help of a handle mapping. Okay, handle mapping is nothing but which will be having all the informations. Okay, when you start a server, okay, the Spring container, okay, will scan through all the components. Okay, and find out who all are the controllers. Okay, and what is the request mapping mapped for that controller. Okay, it took all those information and it will save in the handler mapping. Okay, so now the dispatch servlet, okay, for this particular request, so who is the controller, it get a, with the help of a handler mapping it get it. Okay, and it dispatch the request to the controller. Okay, and the controller will do all the business logic. Okay, it will connect with the service will connect with the DAO and get all the response back. The controller will do the validations also. Okay, and based upon its a success or failure it return a string or a model and view. Okay, so the dispatcher then with the help of a view resolver is nothing but, okay, so if it is a JSP or PDF or Excel, okay, and where is that source, everything, like where is the destination file, right? So everything is configured in the view resolver. So with the help of a view resolver, the dispatch server will dispatch the request to the respective page. Okay, so this is how the Spring MVC works. I hope you got. Okay, in next session we can see how what are different configurations we need to do